Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm doing a gluten-free what I eat in a day. If you guys are returning subscribers, you already know the drill, but if you're new, I've been gluten-free for about 7 years now, I think it's been. If you're on a similar journey or maybe you just started, you found out you need to go gluten-free for health reasons, that was my situation too. I have so many videos for you. I will link my playlist below, it's just titled gluten-free. I have a video about my story going gluten-free and videos just like this one where it's what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week, and also my gluten-free favorites, just like recommendations. I even have an entire gluten-free grocery list on my blog if you guys wanted to download that. The blog post is extremely detailed. It tells you what foods to avoid and what products I recommend, things that I'm constantly buying and restocking in my kitchen. There's so much information there, so I'll link everything below so you guys can check it out. But yeah, so we're just gonna do a, eating from home day. I'm cooking my meals, I'm snacking, everything like that. It's very normal day here, and I'm even making pizzas tonight, which is really fun. I'm excited to eat them. I'm filming this intro on the day that I'm filming my video, so I haven't eaten the pizzas yet, but I'm excited about them. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Now for breakfast, I gotta put that in air quotes because it's 11 a.m. I'm having my protein smoothie. I have talked about this so many times. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you already know my obsession with my morning smoothie. It just brings me to life and makes me feel amazing. I normally do vanilla protein, but today I have cacao. Have my Vital Proteins collagen. This is the reason my hair is so long these days. It's flavorless, so it just works perfectly in this smoothie. I have this Total Mind powder from Stout Nutrition. It's also where I get my protein from. This is a super mushroom coffee powder that has maca and MCT oil. Very important part of the recipe, my Santa Cruz peanut butter works really well with the cacao. It's just like chocolate peanut butter. I mean, heaven. And then I'm gonna be adding kale today. I always add at least one green. I tried to make this look like, cute, putting it in the bowl and like having it set up, but instead it just looks like I have kale in a bowl, which is what it is. But I always do at least one green, typically spinach, but I ran out yesterday. Spinach is like the most passive flavor. You can't really taste it, but it adds all the benefits. And then I'm doing ground flax seeds, which I normally would do flax seeds or chia seeds. Today I'm doing flax, and then I'm gonna add also cinnamon. I forgot to grab. Cinnamon is so good in this, and then half a frozen banana, ice, and almond milk. Let's make it, and I'll show you guys how it turns out. Also, just a little appreciation for my kitchen window. I love seeing the trees and the sky. It's just the simple things in life, This makes me happy. There she is in all her glory. In all her green, brown, gross color glory. Honestly, I have a theory. The worse the color is, the better the smoothie is for you. It's also not entirely true because I've seen some like blue spirulina smoothies that are like so cute and they have like a ton of good shit in them. But it's just something I say to make myself feel better when my smoothie comes out really ugly. Also, how pretty are my flowers? Liquid IV sent them to me for Mother's Day. I'm not a mom, but still was really nice. So yeah, that is breakfast, quote unquote. And yes, I'm still in a robe. I'm getting ready for my video. I'm in my Skims robe. Gonna get ready to film. So I'll see you guys at lunch / snack / whatever is next. So I'm doing a little snacky like lunch. It's about 2 o'clock now. That smoothie pretty much held me over all morning while I filmed and did everything else. I have some homemade hummus that I'm so excited about eating. I just made it yesterday. I just put it in this container. And then this I'm so excited to share because this is a major recommendation. I had never heard of these until I researched and tried to find a gluten-free pita bread, and I discovered these. They're so good. So this is the brand FRYE. Excited to eat that with the hummus. So good. I toasted it up a little bit. And then I have some carrots that I just washed, peeled, and chopped. Olive oil and paprika that I'm gonna top the hummus with, of course. This is the best olive oil. I really only use it for things like this where I'm topping something or for salad dressing strictly, not for cooking, because it's high quality, really, really tasty olive oil. I don't wanna, waste it for like frying something up. I use kind of a more affordable olive oil for that, but the bottle is gorgeous. I love it. It's so windy outside. I'm sorry if it's loud. I'm also drinking a blood orange, carrot, and ginger kombucha. That's my current favorite flavor at the moment. So good. But I also added some grapes, and it's just so good. I love doing little snacky plates like this because you kind of hit, I don't know why I'm saying snacky plates. anyways, snack plates, because you get kind of all of the flavors that maybe you're craving. You get a little sweet, you get salty. It's like the way we used to eat as kids, you know, like just like every major food group, every little craving on one plate. Snack plate, snacky plate, whatever you want to say. Bon appetit. So we're having pizza tonight. I'm so excited. I love pizza, obviously, who doesn't? But this crust is so amazing. So, well, dough, I guess. There's a lot of really good gluten-free crusts out there, but I love getting this dough that you can make and shape yourself, because you can kind of adjust it to the thickness that you want. You can make a little bit more of a crust, you know, like actual crust. I feel like so many gluten-free pizza crust is just like flatbread. There's no like doughy crust. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I feel like if you know, you know. If you want to do like a little fun homemade pizza making night, Marcus and I have done many of those. We drink wine and put our favorite toppings on the pizzas, and it's just like a fun little activity. But I'm gonna get this dough prepped so that it can rise for a little bit, and I'll check back with you guys in a minute. And here are what my crusts look like. I'm doing 2 pizzas today. My, you know, crust making could use some work, but this is what we're working with. And then the flour that I've used to roll it out and do everything like that is the Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 baking flour. Here's the first pizza. Look at that crust, you guys. Like, you rarely see that for a gluten-free crust. It's just fabulous. So this is my second pizza. This is the barbecue pizza, topped with so much arugula that you can't even see what's going on underneath. I just kind of worked with what I had in the fridge today, and they're delicious. I love pizza so much. I will probably be having cold pizza for breakfast in the morning. And after I eat a meal like that, I absolutely need something sweet. It's my toxic trait, needing something sweet after dinner. But I've been pretty good about it. But tonight we're going for the Hue chocolate. So this is the hazelnut butter dark chocolate. I love Hue Kitchen. It's one of my favorite brands. I do have a code also. I don't get any commission from it. I'm not getting paid to talk about this at all, but they did give me a code. So if you guys are interested, I use my own code because it's expensive at the store. So I definitely like to get that 20% off on their website. So I'll link that below. I think it's just Truly Jamie for 20% off. So it's an amazing deal. So that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and maybe got some inspiration or some ideas from it. If you did, make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. If you want to see this more often, like I said, I can do them once a month. Just let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. And if you are not following me on Instagram by now, you need to. I post recipes constantly, gluten-free recommendations, things just like, it's literally become a gluten-free account at this point. If you guys want to check that out, make sure you follow me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.